Hello, and welcome to the guide on how to buy Bitcoins online. This video will show you how to purchase Bitcoins online easily, safely, and above all, cheap. The methods that would allow you to purchase Bitcoins from the warmth of your home are credit or debit cards, bank account, PayPal, and virtual credit card. The bank cards would allow you to trade Bitcoins with various exchanges like Coinbase, CoinMama, Local Bitcoins, Changely, and many others. Another advantage is the 3D security that would lock your funds until the transfer of Bitcoins is carried out. The bank account is accepted by many Bitcoin exchanges, with fees that go as low as 0.1%, though limits are low as well. To increase the limits without jeopardizing your privacy, you could do a trick by verifying your bank cards together with a bank account. PayPal is not widespread as a method of Bitcoin purchase and could be risky, but here's a tip. You could bypass this by buying Bitcoins in a roundabout manner. In Verwox, you are allowed to purchase Second Life linens, SLLs, with PayPal, and then trade them with Bitcoin. A virtual credit card is a great way to test an exchanger you do not trust, as the card could be used once with a low amount of funds used to purchase Bitcoins. Cash payments are a good way to purchase Bitcoins without an ID. You can go directly to a store or ATM machine and get Bitcoins without any sort of verification. As you can see, there are many ways to get Bitcoins online, and should you have any questions, feel free to post them on our website, BitcoinBestBuy.com.